So I got my start at CNC after high school, originally wanting to be a marine biologist. When I got to CNC, I found that chemistry was actually my passion. It was what was really grabbing my attention and keeping me interested. After my first year here at CNC, I really found that I had a passion for organic chemistry. It was like learning a different language. We have all these wonderful structures that we have for our chemicals, and it's putting these structures together in your chemical formulas and showing that reaction that I just found so elegant. One of my favorite experiments that I remember doing as a student here was synthesizing aspirin. You take this so frequently in your lifetime, you may not even think about how maybe it's made or where it came from. So rather than having to extract it from a willow bark, you can make it in the lab. And that was one of the first encounters or experiences with an organic chemistry experiment that I had, which just blew my mind, really just made the aspect of chemistry real to me.